So this bloke can't get out the gate. The driveway's too steep. He's had a couple of goes already. Now he's going right back and he's going to take up a real head full of steam. Here he goes. No, he didn't make it. There's another big cloud of dust. So I think he's going to try again. We'll wait and see. Right, here he goes again. Just got to hope there's no cars coming down the street. No, didn't make it. This is just going to go on and on by the looks of it. Righto, he's had a bit of advice now. Now he's going back. He's going to try it again. No one's tried building up the driveway with a couple of bits of timber or anything like that. He's going back for a really big run now. There's a childcare centre next door. They're closed today, thank goodness. Bingo, he's made it. That was an effort. And he's away.